Well, let's see who we can tag now. Added a few people. It should be good. Now let's see who turns up. There's one. Hi, Kelly. Martin the Candre, Nature. So that's their most unscented kind of thingy. Let's put that away clean. I got some Atomic Bay Rum in the jug. I got my R41 here with a Treet Blade in there and some handle. I don't know what I already got that from, but so yeah, here we go. For me, it's almost noon. Oh, past noon. I waited as long as I could with my shave today, and so there was anyone who could see live. So yeah, glad you could make it. Oh, yes, there are 2 ingrown hairs down there, so yes, there will be blood. At least I'm expecting blood. So, who's the other one who came in? Show yourselves. Fancy. It's an expensive soap, yes, but it returns its investment on how long that thing lasts, because that's... Oh, by the way, my Safe Market brush from Peter Wolf. 30mm OUMO fan. Wonderful shaver, by the way. Wonderful brush. Sorry. Oh, Melvin Morales was the other one. Hopefully I don't need to grab the pen. We'll see. Going to be the last pass with this thing. But as you can see, it's starting to dry up a little. I threw all the moisture out before I started lathering, and still had more than enough to make a decent one. Now that I'm on my third pass, yeah, you can see that it's getting too pasty, so that next time I can use a little bit more moisture in the brush. It's so difficult with a knot of like 30mm to find out where your balance is between how much you have to lather and how much you have to, use water in that thing. And that's the only brush that I really have difficulty with finding the limit, or finding the spot where that goes the best. Like the soaps like SHD, for instance, with that thing, it was absolutely a zero effort thing, and the lather stayed good, but I had creams like OUMO in there with that brush, and that for some reason it just ate the cream. So, and I gave that thing a lot of cream, and he just ate it like it's a Cookie Monster and chocolate chip cookies. It's very bizarre to see. We got 3 now. A little bit from the rush. Just enough not to get cut, I hope. Oh, Walker, good morning. How are you, buddy? Oh well. We'll kind of grab a pencil and fix it up. 2 small ones, but we can live with that. I'm gonna rinse myself off, and then we'll be back with the end Decent enough. How's the vacation house doing, Steve? Did it got hit by the second wave, or was everything okay? Oh, Steve already left. Damn. It's pretty curious, because there was a tornado kind of thingy coming to that region that he has his vacation house. Oh, I can definitely feel him. Isn't as bad as I hoped, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, now the star of the show. Something I got from Douglas from a competition quite a while ago. The Atomic Bay Rum jar. I haven't used this for quite a while, but man, that stuff is good. Ranked as my second place when it comes to Bay Rums. I'll stick to my benchmark. That's the Ogallala. But this is yeah, second. Yes, I'll rub it all over because it smells so good. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna clean out the brush, put the little piece of cork back in the jug instead of the dripper. I'm gonna do that with two hands because that's gonna go wrong. Anyway, thanks for the people who watched. Yeah, stay nice to each other, and see you in the rooms.